Laura, you look happy today.
Dad, I'm very happy.
Tell me, sweetie, what happened?
Dad, I've passed my English exam. I passed with good marks.
Oh, that is wonderful.
My teacher smiled. She said, "Good job, Laura." She said, "I am proud of you."
I am proud too. Very proud.
Dad, I have many friends now. We play together. We laugh together. They listen to me.
That makes my heart happy.
Dad, tomorrow I give a presentation in English class.
A presentation? That is big.
Yes, I talk about my daily life. I use simple present tense, advanced sentences.
That is great, sweetie. Let's practice together.
Yes, Dad, I want to speak clearly.
Simple present is for daily life, things you do every day, your habits.
Yes, Dad, I know this now.
Okay, sweetie, tell me.
I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English.
Excellent. Clear sentences. Now we make longer sentences. Still simple, still clear. Listen. I wake up early because I like the morning.
I wake up early because I like the morning.
Very good. I study English every day and I enjoy learning.
I study English every day and I enjoy learning.
Beautiful sentence. Now, sweetie, tell me about your school.
Yes, Dad. I go to school at 8:30. I greet my teacher. I sit with my friends. I listen carefully.
Very confident.
I answer questions. I speak slowly. I feel calm.
Lovely. That shows growth. Tell me about your friends, sweetie.
I have many friends. We play together. We share food. We help each other.
That is lovely.
They respect me. They listen to me. I feel happy.
You earned that, sweetie. Now let's practice WH questions. They are very important. I ask questions, you answer clearly. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Where do you study?
I study at school.
When do you study English?
I study English every day.
Why do you like English?
I like English because I feel confident.
Strong answer. Now let's practice negatives. Still very important. Listen, I don't feel scared.
I don't feel scared.
Good. I don't give up.
I don't give up.
Excellent.
I don't speak too fast. I don't forget my work.
Very clear, sweetie. Sweetie, now let's practice your presentation again. This time with feeling, with confidence.
Dad, I feel excited.
That is good. Excitement means you are ready. Start slowly.
I wake up early every day. I smile in the morning. I eat breakfast with my family.
Very nice start. Your voice is clear.
I go to school on time. I greet my teacher. I sit with my friends.
Excellent flow.
I listen carefully in class. I answer questions. I enjoy learning English.
Beautiful sentence.
I talk to my friends. We help each other. We laugh together.
That sounds warm and happy.
After school, I come home. I rest for some time. I study again.
Very good.
I feel confident now. I like speaking English.
That is a strong ending.
Dad, can I tell you something?
Of course, sweetie.
Before, I felt scared to speak. I felt small. I felt quiet.
I remember.
Now, I raise my hand. I speak slowly. I don't hide.
That makes me proud.
My teacher listens to me. My friends listen to me.
Because you believe in yourself.
Dad, I feel happy inside.
That is confidence. It grows slowly, and it stays. Now repeat with me, sweetie. Strong voice, calm heart. I speak clearly.
I speak clearly.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
I am confident.
I am confident.
Again, a little louder.
I am confident.
Beautiful. I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
Remember these sentences tomorrow.
I will remember them.
Sweetie, before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Okay, Dad.
Simple present tense is for things you do every day. Your habits, your routine, your life now.
Every day.
Yes, here is an easy formula. Remember this: subject plus base verb. For example, I wake up. You eat breakfast. We go to school. They play together.
That feels easy.
Yes. Now, one small rule. For he, she, it, we add s. Listen. He wakes up. She eats breakfast. It rains.
He wakes up. She eats breakfast.
Very good. Now negatives. Also easy. Do not, abbreviated, don't, plus base verb. I don't wake up late. I don't skip school.
I don't feel scared.
Beautiful sentence. Now, questions. Do plus subject plus base verb. Do you like English? Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Sweetie, that's it. That is simple present tense.
Dad, this is clear now.
Good. Simple rules stay longer.
Thank you for teaching me slowly.
Always, sweetie. Slow learning is strong learning. All right, my little intelligent Laura. Now the final recap on simple present tense. This is your best version.
Okay, Dad. I wake up early every day. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school on time. I greet my teacher.
Very clear.
I sit with my friends. I listen carefully. I answer questions. I enjoy learning English.
Excellent confidence.
I play with my friends. I share my ideas. I help others.
Wonderful.
I come home after school. I rest. I study again. I feel confident.
Laura, that is a beautiful presentation.
Dad, I feel ready now.
You are more than ready. You are prepared. You are confident.
Tomorrow, I stand in class. I speak calmly. I smile.
And everyone will listen.
Thank you for believing in me, Dad.
I always believe in you, sweetie.
I love learning English, and I understand simple present tense.
And I love watching you grow.
I am not scared anymore, Dad.
That is the biggest success, sweetie.
Thanks, Dad. I feel confident now.
Well done. I am so proud of you, sweetie. Always.